In this lesson, we're going to look at the set method union. And what union does is it will unify two sets into a third set, and any duplication will be excluded. Okay, so this is very similar to symmetric difference. However, on symmetric difference, if one element appears in both sets, then that's excluded entirely. But in this one, it will be included, but just once. So I'll get into the example so you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. So set 1, we have Alice, and we have Bob, we have Charlie. In set 2, we have Dan, we have Erica, and a second Alice. And we'll say set 3 equals set 1 dot union, and pass that set 2. And of course, we're going to print set 3. So here you see that we have Alice, Charlie, Dan, Bob, and Erica. So all the elements are gathered up in set 3. Alice appears twice, so it appears once here. It's not duplicated, but it's not excluded. In symmetric difference, Alice would be excluded, but in union, it's not excluded. I hope that makes sense.